भवतु सहनौ भुनक्तु सह वीर्यं करवावहै तेजस्विनावधीतमस्तु मा विद्विषावहै। ओम शांति शांति शांति। हरि ओम श्री गुरुभ्यो नमः। हरि ओम। गुरुर्ब्रह्मा गुरुर्विष्णु गुरुर्देवो महेश्वरः गुरुसाक्षात् परब्रह्म तस्मै श्री गुरुवे नमः। ओम भूर्भुवस्सुवः तत्सवितुर्वरेण्यं भर्गो देवस्य धीमहि धियो यो नः प्रचोदयात्। So what we gonna do about the book? You wanna share the book then?
We will share.
Okay, you have one and
Yeah.
two. This is the Shanti part from the book.
Oh,
that we
okay,
always
but
do.
it's a different book, right?
No, yeah, that's where it's on page 2.
Page 2.
Oh,
of
page
that.
2, and then we will move to.
Yeah, we'll move.
So this has nothing.
No,
No, this is we are going to read from here.
That's
From
where
there,
we're
okay.
gonna-
Shanti part is every Upanishad has a Shanti part in
Haji,
the
Haji,
beginning.
Haji, Haji.
So
Om
that as a
Bhadrani
tradition
Karnavi.
we do that.
Okay.
So we're gonna do lead follow.
Om
I'm gonna
Bhadrani
say it
Karnavi.
and then just say it after me. Om Bhadram Karneभिः शृणुयाम देवाः।
Om Bhadram Karneभिः शृणुयाम देवाः
भद्रं पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः।
पश्येमाक्षभिर्यजत्राः
स्थिरैरङ्गे सुष्ठुभागं सस्तनूभिः।
स्थिरैरङ्गे सुष्ठुभागं सस्तनूभिः
व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः।
व्यशेम देवहितं यदायुः।
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धशवाः।
स्वस्ति न इन्द्रो वृद्धशवाः
स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः।
स्वस्ति न पूषा विश्ववेदाः
स्वस्ति नक्षत्र्यो अरिष्टनेमिः।
स्वस्ति
नक्षत्र्यो अरिष्टनेमिः। स्वस्ति नो बृहस्पतिर्दधातु।
स्वस्ति न बृहस्पतिर्दधातु।
ओम शांति शांति शांति। So the English translation, maybe Shireen can read it. ये मेरा पानी है ये।
O ye gods, may we hear with our ears always what is auspicious. O worshipful ones, may we with our eyes see always what is auspicious. May we live the entire length of our allotted life, hale and hearty, offering our praises unto thee. May Indra, the ancient and the famous, Pusan Sun, the all-knowing, the Lord of swift motion Vayu, who saves us from all harms, and Brihaspati, who protects the spiritual wealth in us, bless us with the intellectual strength to understand the scriptures and the heroic heart to follow the teachings. Om, peace be, peace be, peace be.
So
I think you can tell him the little bit and why we
yeah,
are doing Mandukya
I thought I will first
Yeah.
we'll do the two Gita ka thing and then
Okay.
I'll summarize
Summarize.
this where we are go. So about what we did, that's all. And Joe had already listened and I think he could relate to what we did. So when a man thinks of objects, attachment for them arise. From attachment, desire is born. From desire arises anger. From anger comes delusion. From delusion, loss of memory. From loss of memory, the destruction of discrimination. From destruction of discrimination, he perishes. So you remember the ladder of fall now? Last time we did that.
Thank you.
Yeah, so everybody is okay with that, right? No question on that. So उसके बाद के जो दो verses हैं, वो we will do a Gita and then we'll move on toward this thing. And they are verse 64 and 65 of chapter 2. And these are Lakshan of Sthita Prajna we are doing. So the verses, I'll do the Sanskrit, I'll just say it helps me to keep up with it. Ragadvesha viyukta त्यक्तु विषयान्नेन्द्रियश्चरन् आत्मवश्ये विधेयात्मा प्रसादमधिगच्छति प्रसादे सर्वदुःखानां हानिरस्योपजायते प्रसन्नचेतसो ह्राशु बुद्धिपर्यवतिष्ठते. Okay, so the first one, the English translation says, but the self-controlled man, moving among objects with his sense under restraint and free from both attraction and repulsion, attains peace. So first, Bhagwan said the ladder of fall, what happens to common people like us. But now he's talking about the self-controlled man, means the person who has already achieved that state. So what happens to him is moving among objects with his sense under restraint. So his senses are under restraint and free from attraction and repulsion, attains peace. So what he means by attraction and repulsion, if we observe our life, that's all we are doing from morning to evening. I like this, I don't like this. If you like something, you want it constantly. If you don't like
I hate it.
I hate, get it away from me.
Yeah.
So imagine how much energy we waste in it.
Yeah.
But the Strita Prajna, firstly his senses under control, so he doesn't go and let his senses just go crazy, you know. That is the first step. And the second step is, even when he come across something, उसको ना attraction होता है ना repulsion, वो ऐसे ही देखता है witness की तरह, ठीक है, चल रहा है, you know. Then he attains peace.
Yeah.
That's
It's
the
not
most
perturbed, yeah. It's not letting anything perturb him. No objects are perturbing him.
Exactly. So
Yeah.
peace ऐसे नहीं आ जाएगी सोचने से, oh, I'm going to be peaceful today. But then my mind is, oh, I hate this, I like this, I hate this, that you cannot get peace.
This doesn't apply to nature.
Exactly. Nature is like as is.
Yes.
You know.
See, I look forward to
कांटे
the
भी है
sunrise.
उसमें. Oh yeah. Oh
I
yeah.
desire to see that, but that is nothing to do.
No, that is like you are observing. Do you
अगर
ever say?
nature आता है तो you happy. If नहीं हुआ था, then you're not going to
but
get
I
upset.
think about it.
No, there is another aspect to it, because now that I see sunset, every sunset is beautiful,
Yeah.
right?
Exactly.
Whether there's
Kind of
cloud,
different.
it's different. And
Depending
we
on the
appreciate
cloud,
it.
yeah.
But we do not do the same thing with people and our objects.
Yeah.
You know? Just think
Also,
about it.
a lot of this spiritual training, it goes through another path, is Aghori's path.
Yeah, we talked about
And
that.
Aghoris
Before.
are the ones people hate because they do all kinds of bad
Other
things.
things,
Yeah.
But they have a different philosophy. They
Yeah.
say, I'm seeing Bhagwan in the worst
Yeah,
thing.
right.
That's what their philosophy
That's what
is.
they're saying.
Yeah.
So the idea is, it applies there.
Yes.
You don't hate anything
Yeah.
Yes.
because everything is there for a reason. That's the main thing.
So, Swamiji in this explanation gave a fantastic. Firstly, he said that a self-controlled man is a person who is in the world and doing. एक गुफा में बैठ के बहुत आसान है कि भाई
Likes and
I'm
dislikes
like
like that,
Vairagi.
huh.
Hey, how does he behave when he comes in the marketplace? If the same guy comes in a marketplace and then he's a Vairagi, then he's a true Vairagi. So he's saying that Sthita Prajna will come in the contact, and then after seeing the objects, after staying with people, he still keeps that. So he said, suppose if there's a madman out there in the street and he has a whip in his hand and he is hitting himself with the whip. So then what will you tell him?
Yeah, we'll try to stop him. Yeah.
Firstly, you will say, whip ko chhod de tu. Don't even have the whip. But he said, okay, even if you have the whip, don't lash it. That will be another way of telling him. So he's saying that just like that, we have the objects, don't let them prosecute you. You cannot drop the whip because we
Yeah.
are a sansari, we are a
We have
householder.
been prosecuted.
That's a good
every day.
example. Yeah.
Yeah, so that's the example
Yeah.
Swamiji gave. He's saying that he's not talking about somebody who dropped the whip, because in the sansar we will have objects that will make us upset, that we like, don't like, but don't come under his sway,
Yeah.
So keep the whip, not by usko objects ko mat
Keep it
karo.
still.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So these objects ko
Be an observer. That's all.
don't make the objects make you upset, kind of
Yeah.
thing, you know.
To
That's
rule
the
your
example
life.
he gave.
Rule your life.
And then in
Objects
this,
or person or thing, anything, whatever it is.
Yeah.
and then here in the verse they use the word prasad. So तुमको प्रसाद मिलेगा. प्रसाद का उन्होंने explanation ये दिया है कि प्रसाद is, what do we call प्रसाद, is like a bhog or something.
Yeah.
That.
Reward.
Sweet dish, yeah.
Reward.
Reward, yeah.
So he's saying that prasad over here is your purified mind, which will be peaceful mind, and that will bring you happiness. So that's the whole science behind over here.
And that's what you were saying, nature, why you want to go to the sunset, because it gives us peace.
Yeah.
And that's why we try to go to
But
the sunset.
analyze why it gives us peace, because we accept it as it is. If we don't go and try to change it, we just observe and say, we find the beauty in it. The moment you say, oh, I wish it was like that, oh, I wish I was like that, then you're not going to be peaceful.
Correct.
Yeah. So the second verse is, in that peace, all pains are destroyed, for the intellect of the intellect of a tranquil-minded soon becomes steady. That's the meaning of the second verse. So here Swamiji says, okay, fine, you got the prasad, then what? So he's saying, then, when your mind becomes tranquil, all the pains are destroyed, and that tranquil mind becomes steady. So that's why in that steady mind is not going to be upset by whatever happens outside. So it's a whole process that, by practicing sense control and by doing the other couple of things that he talked about in the previous one, you will gain peace and your intellect will become steady.
Purified.
And they call it, before that he had talked about Buddhi Yoga. So Buddhi Yoga is, practicing, knowing the discrimination of what is real, what's unreal, and unreal is this world that keeps changing and all that. So, let me see if there's anything else. So here I think he was stressing that we should try to keep our mind tranquil. That's the advice. And then we establish, okay, so this was that. We can go back. So I guess I'll just summarize the Mandukya, what we have done so far.